What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I got another Invicta watch unboxing, but this is just not an ordinary Invicta watch unboxing to me. This watch is by one of my favorite all-time NBA players, Shaquille O'Neal. So I found out about a year ago that he added his own collection to the Invicta watch lineup. You guys know, if you follow my channel, I always do Invicta watches unboxing over here because that's just one of my favorite watches to unbox, and I like wearing them. I like the size of them, the style of them. So Shaq came out with his own brand collection of them. The price was kind of high for me, so I waited until I found one on sale. I got one. This may not be the last one. I got a unique color. I got the limited edition Grand Octane 60 millimeters. So that's a big, huge watch. It's in this box right here. So let's get in this box and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. Before we get into this box, and I'm trying to hold myself, let's take a look at some of the specs and details on this. So here's the item number if you pick it up from Shop HQ 682-139. This is the Invicta Shaq Men's 60 millimeter Grand Octane limited edition quartz chronograph silicone strap watch. Now they have it for $146.84 right now, or you can opt for easy pay or value pay or whatever it's called for $24.47. Plus you'd have to pay the shipping and handling. But you can get this in 3 different colors. You can get it in the red and black. You can get it in the yellow and black. And you also can get this in the blue and gray. So those are the colors. Let's take a look at some of the descriptions on this. So I wanted to point out up here, this is going to have a configuration of chronograph sub-dials and a date window. So you got some sub-dials as well. This is a very nice watch from me seeing it on paper, on TV. So the movement type, TMI VK67 quartz. Now, I'm not a watch expert, so I don't know what all this stuff means. The movement country of origin, Japan. Your case size, 60 millimeter, big boy. Case material, stainless steel, crystal type, flame fusion. Dial material, metal. Crown type, push-pull. Band type, strap. Band material, silicone. Band length, 9.2. Band width, 28 millimeters. Band clasp, buckle. Chronometer, yes. Water resistant, 10 ATM, 100 M, 330 feet. Comes packed in a Shaq watch box. So those are some of the features on this watch. Yep, there it is. Let's get into the box and check this out. So I have been anticipating this a lot. Now there's a piece of paper on here that I covered up my mailing address and stuff like that. That's why this looks like this, guys. But we're going to get into this box either way it goes because I can't wait any longer. I've had it for a few days and I wanted to wait and share the unboxing with you guys. Check it out. But like I said, this is one I've been anticipating for a long time, and I'm glad I finally got the opportunity to get it. So I got my paperwork in there. We'll put that to the side. And here is the watch. So it comes in a sleeve, nothing else in the box. So this is the sleeve that it comes with. So let's go ahead and slide this out. So it looks like it's upside down. Let me get it this way. Whew, there it is. So here's the outer box. You guys see it says Invicta and nothing else on it on the outside box here. So let's get this open. So put this over to the side right here. So this is the way it opens up. You got some paper there. Whew, and there it is, Shaq. It's got his signature there. And this is a limited edition as well. So I should have a number on my box. So let's get this box out of the way. Man, I'm like a kid when it comes to these Invicta watches. So here is the Shaq watch box. Invicta since 1837. So that is it. So you got the Shaq logo on the top. So let's go ahead and open this up for the first time, and we'll see what color I got. Oh, I got that yellow and black one, man. I got that yellow and black one. So let's look and see what's in see what's in the packaging first. So you get your paperwork here, limited warranty instructions right there. You get a microfiber cleaning cloth with Invicta on it, and you get the watch. Whoa, this thing is huge. This is huge. This is the biggest one I've had, guys. I've never had a 60. I think the biggest I got is a 52. Woo! Look at this thing, man. Look at the size of that. Wow. And it is gorgeous. All right, so here it is. Let's get a quick look at it right quick. My goodness. So let's get this paper and stuff off of it here. So I'm going to pause the video and get this plastic off, and we'll look at it. All right, guys, so we're back in. As you guys see, I got all of the paper off of it, the plastic and everything. And this is absolutely very, very nice watch. But I wanted to point out how they paid great attention to the color to match the box up with the watch face. Kind of overlooked that at first, but you got the yellow and black pattern there. You got Shaq branding back there with Invicta. So that's a very nice touch, in my opinion, to do that. And then Shaq on the outside of it. But here's the watch. As you guys see, it has that yellow going around on the inside of it. You got these big, huge numbers here that look really nice. You got your crown here with some type of logo on it, maybe Invicta. You got your 2 push buttons for helping to set the device up. You got your nice flame fusion crystal there. This sub dial is your hour. Then you got your minute right there. You got your second, Invicta branding there. You got a date dial right there, and the Shaq logo. You got this nice band here, silicone band. They kind of broke it up with a little bit of a different look right there. I really like that. It feels very soft. On the inside of it, you got Invicta branding right there. Invicta on this side. And then on your clasp, you do have Invicta branding there as well. That is a nice brush color look there. As long as it's this out here, it's a brush metal look. Looks really good, along with the kind of a shiny material here, glossy material there for the push buttons and the crown. And around the bezel right there, that has a glossy look as well. And then the back of it, you got Shaq's signature. You got the 100 millimeter water resistant there. I have the limited edition number 50 out of 1,000. So lucky me. And then there's the model number. And it's telling you that this is a flame fusion crystal as well. Hopefully you guys can see that. But here it is, man. Feels excellent in the hand. Does have a little weight. I'm going to get this on my wrist, and we'll check it out up against some other watches as well. All right, guys. So here it is on my wrist. As you guys see, this thing is absolutely huge. I have a 7 1/4 or something like that wrist, and it takes up every bit of it. But I love it, man. This thing is huge, beautiful. I love that black and yellow combination there, and it is just a beast. Now you can wear this casual, maybe dress if you're bold enough to wear a huge watch like this with a dressy outfit. But I'm going to be wearing it just kind of sporty like. Let me show you this next to some of my other watches. All right, guys, so we're back in. I grabbed a few of my watches. So this is a Grand Diver. So you can just see just how huge this is up against the Grand Diver. You can see the thickness here. So this is a 47 millimeter right there. This is the Grand Lupa. I think this is a 47 as well. Has a different shape, but as you guys can see, the size difference there. I got another watch here. This is that Batman joint I showed you guys a while back. This is a 48 millimeter as well, but you can see the Shaq watch is huge. Here is another watch that I have. Really like this one as well. These are 48s or 50s, all of these watches. And the biggest watch that I have is the Hydromax, besides this one. And this was the biggest one, the Hydromax. As you guys see, it's got that huge dome on top of it. And you can see the thickness on it. This is a 52, but here's the 60 millimeter against that. The Shaq watch is just a monster. Now, I like big watches, so that's why I buy them. But as you see, the Shaq watch is not nearly as big as the Hydromax. That's a beast right there, the Hydromax. This one turns heads at when you're sitting in your car at stop signs or red lights. This one have people looking over at your wrist. So here's the Shaq watch, and I'm quite sure it's going to be a conversation starter. And if you want to see it up against something like the Apple Watch 3rd gen, I think, 42 millimeter, that's what it is. So, all right, guys, so that is a look at the Shaquille O'Neal Grand Octane Limited Edition Quartz watch by Invicta. So here it is on my wrist. Again, it is a huge timepiece. I showcase it with some of my other watches. That is just a few of them. One day I'm going to make a video showcasing all of them. Here it is again. A look at this big beast. Beautiful watch. If you're into big watches, and they're not expensive watches, I'm not a watch expert. It's just a brand that I like. And Shaquille happened to be one of my favorite players. So catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.